Hello everyone. Surprise! It's my Liz here from Class Act. We are doing a surprise unboxing with you guys. Happy Mintay Day! So we have some brand new collections from Mintay. It is snowy and cold and very windy outside, so Carol suggested I film an unboxing video with you guys. I'm gonna start off with these super cool card bases. This is a little baby onesie. It is a 5-piece set of card bases. And here's what they actually look like. They're adorable. Then we have this Easter egg card base. And so basically you just need pretty paper to jazz it up. And last but not least, the birthday cake card base. So again, you get 5 different pieces, and then you can just cut your paper accordingly, and you get some really funky shaped cards, which is amazing. Up next, we have a new collection. This one is called Winged Melodies. So this is the 12 by 12 paper set. Here's what it looks like on the back. I'll show you that sheet in a second, actually. Nope. Then we have some Winged Melodies paper elements. So I believe this comes with like little envelopes and tags and little pieces that you can actually tuck into things. We have the 6x8 paper pad for this set. So I think you get a whole bunch of beautiful designs. Look at the lace and the roses. Little birdhouse. I'm not sure how many of each you get, but it is so pretty. Some fussy cutting sheets. I'm obsessed. Look at this texture on the wood grain. And then here we are repeating itself. So maybe you get about 3, maybe 4 of each paper, which is lovely. Look at that. So pretty. Then we have the Winged Melodies paper stickers. These are words and elements. So words include things like wings of freedom, embrace the breeze, grateful birth, some paper stickers as well. And then last but not least, we have some dinosaur chipboard, which I ordered in for Conrad, but we have some extras, so check that out on our website. And now I have a customer, so I will be with you guys. Stay tuned for part 2. See you guys soon. Bye. Hello, my friends. I am back for part 2 of sharing the new Mintay arrival that we just got this week here at the store. This next collection I'm going to share with you guys is actually called Photographer. So these are the different die cuts that are available. Look at that handsome little guy. There's all kinds of cameras and film strips, gorgeous flowers, and so on and so forth in this set. We also have the paper element. So again, you're going to see a lot of cameras and film strips. I love the color scheme for this collection. And again, some wonderful like crackly effects on the papers, tickets, little pieces you could use to make belly bands and so on and so forth. We have the 8x8 photographer paper pad with some fussy cut pieces. Here, let me just slide it down. Look at the crackle on this page. Here we have an actual camera lens, which you could decorate and embellish with flowers, some Polaroids. I love this page. I love all of it. Let's be real. So again, I think you got about 4 sheets of each design. These are cool little journal cards. And ta-da. Then we have the 6x8 paper, again from the photographer set. Just go through it really quickly with you. Ta-da. So pretty. So if you guys want to learn more about any of these papers, go to our website, www.classact.ca, and if you click on the shop little icon on our website, And then if you go to new arrivals in the month of February, you will see it. You can also shop by brand. If you search Mintay, you'll see all of these gorgeous new collections and probably some of our gorgeous old ones as well. So, yay, Mintay. And there we go. Then we have some paper stickers, more elements. So again, you see the various lenses and camera stands. We also have some paper stickers with words. So things like snapshot, photo, shot, captured moments, retrospect, turn moments into memories, photographer, story, memory, frame, and so on and so forth. This little guy snuck in. I don't know if I shared it in the last video, but this goes with the Winged Melody collection. These are all the cute little die cuts. Looking at it now, I don't think I did. So look at the little terriers and the birds, all kinds of frames again, bird houses, tea sets, some little croissants. It's a beautiful collection as well. And then we have some single sheets for the photographer. These are the 12 by 12. So you have this gorgeous camera lens. You have this, which would make an amazing scrapbook layout. Or anything, really. You guys are so creative. And we have this one. And then I have some Winged Memories singles that I'd like to share with you. So, there's this sheet here. There's the back. This one. And again, the back. Look at this bark pattern. Oh, it's amazing. I can't control myself. I want all of them. Then we have a bird cage, some pinks. This one is really cute. Imagine if you just like cut out the inside and put your pictures in behind it and embellish this page. It would make, again, for a beautiful layout. Some more birds. Some pink wood grain. Very lovely. And then some little journal cards or card fronts, whatever you guys use them for. There's my little dog friend again, and lots of birds, butterflies, and so on and so forth. This is a really sweet collection if you want to make like Mother's Day cards or friendship cards. It's also lovely for showcasing the spring season, which is coming up, hopefully soon. Next, we have this wonderful collection here. So this one is called Home Sweet Home. Here are the various paper die cuts that coordinate with this one. So you'll see things like bouquets and coffee cups, teas, books, keys, bows, purple flowers, little tea thing, an owl, and so on. Tea thing. Then we have some paper elements here. So you get envelopes, tags, you know, the things. Hi Liz, thanks for joining. It is gorgeous, isn't it? This one is the Home Sweet Home. So here's the 6x8 paper pad. Oh my gosh, look at the lace on here. It is to die for. Absolutely love this one. I haven't flipped through them yet, so bear with me. Look, more lace. I'm a sucker for like lace. Some beautiful purple flowers, some basket texture, and then again, some really cute little elements to fussy cut. Look at the bunny rabbit. Great for spring, summer. This would actually even be cool for like housewarming. Really, really lovely collection here. Then we have the 8x8 paper pad. So wonderful for all you mini album doers. Here we have some fussy cut elements. Look at this gorgeous room. I wish my house looked like this. It's just like a nice little sunroom or living room. Some beautiful tiny florals. Some frames. Again, you could cut these and turn them into a really cute way to display photos. Oh, look at this flooring. and then we start all over. So really, really cute collection. They have also created some paper sticker elements. So you see stacks of envelopes and books and little geese wearing bows. And then you get words such as home sweet home, love, together, portraits, family, cozy place to rest, happiness is homemade, parents, grandparents, stories, and lots more. And then we have single sheets. So this is the journaling card sheet. Here's the front. Here's the back. We also have this one, which is so pretty. It would make some awesome backgrounds. Just purple and white flowers. Not sure if they're magnolias. They kind of look like magnolias to me. So we'll just call them magnolias from here on out. Look at this little owl here and this front. I don't know if this is the front or back of a home, but either way, I would totally live here. Oh, and then little purple dots on the back of the sheet as well. Again, you get this sort of gorgeous indoor vibe. Little goose there. A goose on the loose inside someone's home. Oh. And last but not least, we have this beautiful blown up sheet set with some tiny purple flowers in the back. And then we again have the 12 by 12 paper that goes with this collection. So check it all out on our website or come see me in store, better yet. I always love seeing you guys. And then last but not least, we have one final collection to share with you today. This one is called Blossom Serenity. So we're gonna start off looking at the paper elements for this one. It is stunning for spring. It's got lots of vibrant yellows and pinks. So pretty. Great for spring or summer, I guess. Die cut, 60 pieces again. Look at the back of this lovely lady. And then birds, bird houses, teacups, all the things. It's really windy out there today. We have the Blossom Serenity 6x8 paper. Look at that scene. I know it's upside down, but come on. Isn't that pretty? Then we have some more papers. Absolutely stunning. Some more fussy cut elements. Again, gorgeous. Similarly, we have the 8x8 paper. So again, you get lots of fussy cutting birds and watering cans. I love the yellow. Yellow is my mom's favorite color, so I feel like I need to make her birthday card with this year. It's gorgeous. So there's this collection. Again, they took it a notch further. They released some paper sticker elements. So you get some birdhouses, some lovely ladies in the garden, butterflies, tulips, and so on. And then some words like, hi, beautiful, spring, spring is in the air, a fresh start, serenity, and so on and so forth. And then we have some loose sheets as well, some 12 by 12s. These are really fun if you actually like section them off. You can do some amazing cards with them. So here's front, here's back. And then this one. Whoop. Lovely, lovely. I love this like stripy page. Some gingham, and last but not least, the beautiful journal elements for this collection as well. And there's the back. So I hope you guys enjoy all of the new collections, the new releases. Feel free to come and check them out in person or shop online. And thank you for bearing with me as I showcase them with you today. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and I will see you all next time. Bye.